lightening your dark underarm with rice and toothpaste. Welcome to Herbal Corner, the way to a quick and easy solution to your problem. If you are excited to find out, hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. Dark underarms can be embarrassing and frustrating. However, the good news is that a few natural remedies can help to lighten those armpits in no time. Wanna know how? Have you looked at those advertising billboards and wonder why and how the models on it have such perfect underarms? Photoshop aside now. Yes, that's correct. Without Photoshop. Now, if you are like me, I pay great heed to take care of my face, hands, and feet, but my underarm skin is one of the most neglected parts of my skin, maybe because it remains covered most of the time. But no matter what the reason is, I like wearing adorning flowy, sleeveless dresses, and dark underarms are something that I really would not want to expose. So if your underarms have darkened over the years, maybe due to irritation from years of shaving and not moisturizing, irritation from chemicals, smoking-induced hyperpigmentation, irritation from friction, or accumulation of dead skin, does that mean you should bid farewell to sleeveless clothes? Well, not anymore, because in this video, we shall discuss some effective home remedies for dark underarms that will help you flaunt your beautiful sleeveless dresses like never before. First, let's discuss some of the easy-to-get ingredients for this wonderful remedy that I have used over the years to smoothen and lighten my dark underarm, and some honorable mention at the end of this video. Rice powder, baking powder or bicarbonate of soda, tomato paste, coconut oil, toothpaste. Rice powder. Rice powder contains sun-protecting agents that help in lightening and brightening the skin. It prevents the skin from suntan and helps it clearing sunburn. Rice powder is excellent in absorbing excess oil on the skin and makes your skin smooth and fairer. And the beauty of this is that it is easy to make. Just take some of the rice you have at home and blend it into a powder. Baking powder. When used over time, bicarbonate of soda exfoliates the skin, getting rid of dark patches and body odor. Exfoliation can stimulate cell turnover, which can result in your skin's surface appearing brighter, smoother, and in some cases lighter. Tomato paste. Using raw tomato on the skin is extremely effective in lightening the skin in the underarm area. It helps to reduce sweating, which is a major cause of the darkening of this area. Just like lemon juice, tomato juice consists of vitamin C and bleaching properties that naturally help in reducing discoloration. Coconut oil. Moisturizing under the arms is extremely important when trying to get rid of dark pits. It penetrates better than other oil and is a great natural moisturizer that contains vitamin E, which can help lighten dark areas over time. Okay, now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to mix them and then apply it on the underarm. So here is how to mix each of the ingredients. How to mix. Add 1 tablespoon of blended rice, which is rice powder, into a clean bowl. Add half a tablespoon of baking soda or bicarbonate of soda into the same bowl. For the tomato, I will grate the tomato in a circular motion so that it can be smooth to give it tomato paste. Once done, add 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste into the treatment. Next, stir the mixture together to make a fine paste. How to apply? Gently apply this treatment with your palms to your dark underarms and scrub slightly in a circular motion. Form using a soft toothbrush to avoid injuring the soft skin in the underarm. Leave for about 20 minutes for the treatment to completely dry off. Then, rinse with clean water. After rinsing, rub the coconut oil to moisturize the underarm. And there you go, a smooth, light underarm. How often to repeat? Repeat this treatment 3 times in a week, and in no time your dark underarm would begin to lighten. Okay, so we are gradually getting to the end of the video, but before we wrap it up, let's quickly take a look at some of our honorable mention like I promised at the beginning of the video, and that is toothpaste. It may sound strange, but toothpaste can help in brightening your underarm skin. If you wish to know how to get rid of dark underarms with toothpaste, go through this remedy. How it works. The same ingredients that help in making your teeth brighter help in removing tan or pigmentation from your underarm area too. What you will need: any toothpaste which contains baking soda and lesser amount of fluoride. How to apply. Take the toothpaste and apply a thin layer on your armpits. Leave for 10 minutes and then rinse with water. How often to repeat? You can use the toothpaste treatment 2 to 3 times a day. Okay, so now that you know some of the remedy to lighten your dark underarm, how do you prevent your armpits from getting dark again? Here are some helpful tips to prevent dark underarm. Darker underarms are more prevalent in people who shave their underarm hair. Shaving may make the area harder and darker. Therefore, you should opt for other methods of hair removal, such as waxing. If it is irritation from chemicals, try other brands of deodorants and antiperspirants, or try a natural alternative. If it is irritation from friction, try clothing with a looser fit. If your dark underarm is from the accumulation of dead skin, then try using a body scrub or other exfoliation product or technique. If it is from smoking-induced hyperpigmentation, try to stop smoking. Finally, if your excess weight or some other medical health condition is causing your armpits to become darker than usual, then you should take measures to control the situation. However, if the use of a certain medication is causing it, you may ask your doctor to change the prescription. And that is it in today's video. Find this video interesting? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. Give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more amazing videos from Herbal Corner.